Hello guys, today I've got the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion and we're going to go through all the accessibility features and inclusive settings this device offers. First, where everything is. Settings, scroll down to the accessibility right here. Now, as you can see, here I've got many things. This is actually your main hub for vision support, hearing support, interaction controls, and advanced accessibility shortcuts. Motorola also integrates extra tools via the Modo application for gestures and usability improvements. So as you can see here, we've got family space, and family space we can enable it. And now all family space to have full control of your device. Full control is appropriate for application. Yeah, just you can tap here enable. I think something is bugged because I can't do it. But let's assume that it is working. Here, as you can see, we have TalkBack. TalkBack, I think, is not actually a feature that is exclusive, because here we've got just reading things out loud on our screen.
TalkBack reads content on your screen aloud and changes how navigation works on your device. Welcome to TalkBack. Page 1 of 7. TalkBack provides spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. TalkBack can be helpful for people who have difficulty seeing the screen.
To tap something, you need to just double tap. And as you can see, this is how it works. Here we've got, as you can see, select to speak, display the text, color and motion, extra dim of the screen. As you can see, magnification, accessibility menu, switch access, timing control, system controls, vibration and haptics, live caption, caption preferences, audio description, flash notifications, hearing devices, audio adjustment, and here's some shortcuts. But let's start. Let me show you, for example, the display size and text. We can make our font size bigger, display size bigger, bold text here. We can make it here, and outline text here. Color and motion. Color correction, color inversion, dark dim, and here remove animations. Extra dim. This is extra dim. We can here manage intensity of the extra dim. Keep on after the device restarts, and extra dim shortcut. Magnification. You can zoom anywhere, as you can see, and you can, for example, here enable the magnification shortcut, tap got it, and here tap this icon, tap somewhere, and you can zoom in here to see the details. And wait a moment, I need to go back there because I accidentally got out of this here. And now to exit, tap this magnifying icon again. If you tap this gear icon, you can here manage the magnifier size, zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. Tap this button over here to get the partial, as you can see, magnifier, and do much more, as you can see. Here, done, disable, and let's move back here. Magnification shortcut, magnification type, magnify typing. Keep on screen while switching apps. Here we've got the accessibility menu, and this is the menu where we have just everything in one place. You can tap it to enable, allow, got it. Here I've got this, and here we've got assistant, accessibility settings, power, volume down, volume up, recent apps, brightness down, brightness up, and lock screen. Going further, quick settings, notifications, and screenshot. And to disable, tap this again. Here we've got settings, and you can edit, increase the button size of the menu. Here I've got timing controls, touch and hold delay, time to take action, accessibility timeout. System controls, system navigation, gesture or free button navigation, one-handed mode, power button ends call, and auto rotate screen. Vibration and haptics. Here we have many things like ring vibration, vibrate first and ring gradually, vibrate for answered calls, synchronized ring vibration, Notifications and alarms. Notification and vibration, alarm vibration, touch feedback, and media vibration. You can manage these all things here. Live caption. If you tap it, you can manage live caption. Live caption detects speech on your device and automatically generates captions. Here, as you can see, I don't have the latest software. When you tap here download, you probably don't have it too. So here you need to tap download, wait a moment. And this option should be available in a moment. As you can see, now it is. You can enable it, tap got it. And now if we play some music, maybe not music, but if we play some video, it should be available here. As you can see, we have here languages, and we can add language and manage anything. Here, caption preferences, like for example here, show captions, caption size and style, and here, language. Expressive captions, manage this, and use expressive captions. Size to captions, show sound labels, show speech emotion, lengthen words, hide profanity, live caption in volume control. Here, type responses during calls and voice for type responses. Here, caption Here we've got the audio section. Audio description. Here a description of what's happening on screens in supported movies and shows. You can tap it to enable disable. Flash notifications. Flash the camera light on the screen when you receive notifications or when alarms sound. Camera flash and screen flash. We can tap enable and preview, and this is how it looks like. My preview doesn't want to be working. Now it is, as you can see. Okay, we can now go back, and here we've got hearing devices. If you tap hearing devices, you can see that we can pair the device, set up and manage ASHA and LE audio hearing aids, cochlear implants, and other amplification devices. Here, hearing device shortcut, enable or disable, and we can manage if it's in the quick settings. Accessibility button like here, accessibility gesture like 2 fingers from the bottom up your screen, and volume keys both at the same time. Here let me disable these flash notifications because I don't need them. Audio adjustment. Here we can manage if we want to have mono audio enabled and move the audio balance more to the left and the right. Of course, when it comes to speakers in our phone. And actually that's it. It's a pity that Family Space doesn't work for me. I don't know why. It just doesn't work. But that's actually it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Goodbye.